This spa cabin in Remsen, New York might just be the most luxurious Airbnb we've ever stayed at. There's one of the most incredible indoor features in this cabin that you're just gonna have to wait to see, but they also provide a daily massage. So if you stay here 5 nights, you get 5 massages. So we'll be giving you a full tour of this amazing place and show you what it's like to stay here for a night.
When you first get here, you walk down this path, past these sconces, and the sleek black wood just draws you in for the magical experience that's about to happen inside. Off to this side is the beautiful kitchen with all the basics you need for cooking a meal. My favorite thing in here is the stove hood because they've actually carved out trees in the metal as well as an Airbnb symbol on the back side. So there's a lot of metal artwork in here, especially over there. So I can't wait to show you that. They also have a Nespresso and some complimentary goodies with a sweet note from the host. Over here is the luxurious king bed. I love the disco lights underneath the bed that are flashing to make it feel fun and super unique, as well as the bedside lamps are actually trees that are lit up. So across from the bed is the entertainment center with a large screen TV, perfect for movies. You can also tilt the TV towards this cozy seating area, which doubles for your dining table so you can eat and hang out. And now we're gonna check out the best part. But first, if you're a host of a unique and amazing Airbnb and you want us to feature your place on our page, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out our contact form. We would love to work with you. Okay, moving in here. There is one more feature that is super unique about this Airbnb, and that is they have an Alexa that can pretty much do anything to enhance your experience. Alexa, turn on the waterfalls. Like, how cool is that? This waterfall is probably the most incredible indoor feature that we've experienced in an Airbnb. And what I love about it is that they cut out trees in the metal and made it 3D. Over here is a tub that actually has jets in it, so a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the view out this huge window. And right here is the best part of this whole Airbnb. It is the massage table where every morning that you stay here, a masseuse comes and gives you a massage. Now that is worth it. And then coming into the bathroom, it has a really whimsical vibe with a grass wall, beautiful vanity, and a rainfall shower. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. We would love to bring you along on all of our Airbnbs and adventures. Now, let me show you what's left outside. Out here, you have a little picnic table, and then off to this side is the fire pit with even more metal art, and it's just a great final touch for this incredible place. So if you want to book this place for yourself and cozy up with someone special, we'll leave a link in the description below. That was a fun game, and Hayden did win, but I'll get him back in the future. But now we're gonna watch a little movie. That being said, Alexa, turn out the lights.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's like a cloud. So comfy.
Alexa, good night.
Thank you. You have a good night as well. I will see you in the morning.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning to you too. You're starting out your day pretty awesome. A great cup of coffee, a wicked sweet cabin, some deer outside, and a massage. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here is some calming music to bathe in.
Alexa, turn on the waterfall.
Okay, it's time to get a massage. Those couples massages were incredible. Honestly, never pass up the opportunity if you ever get one. Or you can just book to come stay here because you won't regret it.
While Nikki enjoys her bubble bath, I'm gonna do a little guitar serenade for her with my very little skills.